Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Sendinblue affiliate links and payout eligibility, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Sendinblue affiliate links, start by logging into your Sendinblue account. Once logged in, navigate to the affiliate dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the section labeled Affiliate Links. Here, you will find the links generated for your account. Copy one of your affiliate links. Next, open a new tab in your web browser. Paste the copied link into the address bar and press Enter. This action will direct you to the Sendinblue website. Confirm that you see your affiliate ID embedded in the URL. If your affiliate ID is present, your link is correctly set up. Now, let's check your payout eligibility. Return to the affiliate dashboard. Look for a section titled Payouts or Earnings. Here, you will see your accumulated earnings. Make sure you have reached the minimum payout threshold. If you haven't, continue promoting your links until you reach the required amount. Once you meet the threshold, you'll be eligible for a payout. Lastly, check the payout methods available in your account settings. Ensure your payment information is up to date to receive your earnings smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.